Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We visited the White Flower Factory Thai restaurants at the Siam Square, a cozy spot with authentic Thai dishes and a nice view of the BTS stations. The restaurant offers a wide variety of Thai food, from comforting curries to spicy stir-fries. The menu also includes other favorites such as green curry, pad thai, and deep fried sea bass with chili sauce, and other fish paste with some vegetables. And different types of soup, and drinks and coffee, and smoothie. So today we ordered the spicy sour fish soup, tom yum black, which came steamy hot with a rich, tangy broth full of lemongrass and chili, perfectly balancing spicy and sour notes. Alongside, we tried fish paste with fresh vegetables, a traditional Thai dish where savory fish dip is paired with crisp seasonal vegetables. Both dishes were flavorful and felt very home-style, the kind of taste that reminds you what Thai food is loved worldwide. So enjoy. The taste was authentic and comforting, just like the Thai food it should be. Plus, with a good view of BTS stations right outside the window. It's lovely spots to enjoy both the food and the atmospheres. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video. By the way, I'm aiming to get the 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. So please help me to like my channel. To subscribe my channel. Thank you.